In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a document for school, a report for work, or just a personal project, getting your formatting just right can make all the difference. So let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs document and look through it to identify which section you'd like to adjust. Once you've located the specific text, use your mouse to select it by clicking and dragging over the words. This is an important step because the spacing adjustments you make will only apply to the text that you've highlighted. If you forget to select the text, you might not see any changes. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You're looking for the line and paragraph spacing icon, which resembles lines with up and down arrows beside them. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with several spacing options. This menu is a handy tool that allows you to fine-tune your document's appearance. In the drop-down menu, you'll find various preset spacing options such as single, 1.15, 1.5, and double. These options are pretty straightforward. Single spacing will pack your lines closer together, while double spacing will spread them further apart, giving your text more breathing room on the page. Choose whichever preset best suits your needs by clicking on it. For those of you who want even more control over the appearance of your text, there's a custom spacing option. This allows you to enter your own values for the space before and after each paragraph. It's a great feature if you're looking for something above and beyond the standard presets. Just type in the numbers that best fit your document's style and press Apply to see the changes take effect. Additionally, the menu offers Remove Space Before Paragraph and Add Space After Paragraph options. These are particularly useful when you want to adjust the space around individual paragraphs without affecting the entire line spacing of the text. This can be especially helpful if you have a title or a specific section in your document that needs to stand out. By understanding these options, you can customize the layout of your document exactly as you envision it. Remember that these changes can always be undone, so feel free to experiment with different settings until you find the perfect fit. With these simple steps, your Google Docs will look polished and professional, just the way you want them. That's all there is to it. Adjusting spacing in Google Docs is a quick and easy process that can significantly improve the readability and appearance of your documents. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.